Hi guys, in this video, we're going to show you how to set up a Google Tag Manager account. But firstly, we're going to show you how you can create your Google Tag Manager account. All right, so don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content. We're going to be sharing a lot of Google Tag Manager videos very soon and how to integrate it. Also on Google Ads and also other platforms like LinkedIn, even TikTok. So don't forget to stick around. Visit the description section to access more important resources to help you succeed in advertising and also with Google products. So let's jump right straight into this video. So you visit tagmanager.google.com. So this is one way for you to go about it. And make sure you're already logged in on your Gmail account. Okay? Another way is to go to Google and search. So if Google is the default search engine on your browser, you just search for Tag Manager or Google Tag Manager. Then usually you see the result on the first page. Then you click on it. So as you can see, it's same thing. So you can use any of them. So we're going to create an account. So click on Create Account. Input the company name. Then select your region. Next, for the container, we use your website, your domain. So we're going to be using, all right, so this is the website we want to use. So we copy. Select web. Then you click on create. You accept the terms, then you say yes. So this is how to create a Google Tag Manager account. Next, you copied all this. You copy this code and paste it at the header of your website or the head of your website, and here for this one for the body. If you're confused about this, you can email all of this code, this entire page and the page and the code to your web developer, or kindly visit the description section to contact our specialized team for us to help you with this. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exclusive content like this.